have everything stored on my phone. I have like a million lists going on because I'm a person who's always making a list because that's how I keep track of things. So in this video, I'm just going to be getting my PR stuff together. So when my PR box come, it's already done and I have something less to do. I got 100 envelopes from Amazon, black envelopes because my colors are black and gold with a hint of white. And these envelopes, they close like this. Okay. So these are my PR cards. No, not gonna focus. These are my PR cards. Oh, now you focus. These are my PR cards. That's the front, thanking them, and this is the back on how to. I'm gonna put one of these in each envelope. At the moment I have 30 PR boxes that are going out. So yeah, let's get started. I think the glitter will look really nice as part of my box. So part of my boxes. So when my boxes arrive, I'll show you how it looks. I might not even use it because I might end up just like in the box. So we'll see. I have everything stored on my phone. I have like a million lists going on because I'm a person who's always making a list because that's how I keep track of things. So I made a list of everyone in my PR, their addresses, and the lashes that they wanted. I feel like the ladies who are a part of the PR, they should have the option of choosing the lashes that suit them because not everyone can wear certain styles, and at the moment I have 9 styles. I thought everything worked out right. So let's get started. I should probably do it on the blank one first to see. I'm gonna have to take my time because you get more ink when you write slower. Okay, so I just want to say that all of my cards are done and the front of them are dried, so I was able to put them back together. And now I'm waiting for these damn PR boxes to come so I can get this show on the road. Like, I'm ready now. well, I think I'm ready. So let's do it, honey. As you know, like, comment, subscribe if you want to see. I don't know what you want to see, but if you want to see something, just drop that comment down below. Thank you so much for watching, for tuning in. Thank you so much. If you want some lashes or anything of that sort, if you want to check out my website, it will be in the bio. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.